Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox back again with another awesome weight loss video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fat burning smoothie that's going to help you to lose weight and it's going to boost your energy, okay? This is an awesome morning green smoothie for weight loss to help you start burning that fat. This smoothie consists of only natural ingredients, which is going to help to speed up your metabolism. It's going to increase your energy levels and help you to lose that weight even faster. Okay, so let's get into some of the ingredients you're going to need for this awesome green smoothie. You're going to need some mint leaves. Okay, you're also going to need a half of avocado. Okay, now I've already cut my avocados into pieces and froze them, so all I needed to do was chip off about a half an avocado. Okay, and this is an awesome idea for you to do for those fruits and vegetables that you get that spoil really fast and you need them for your smoothies, so this way you're not wasting money. Freeze your fruits and vegetables. Okay, so half an avocado. You're also going to need an apple. You're going to need some kale. Okay, this is my organic kale. And you're also going to need some spinach. Okay, I have my organic baby spinach right here. And you're also going to need some coconut water. Now this is better than regular water in this video because it's sweeter. It gives it a nicer taste. Okay, so let's start this video right now. You're also going to need a full-size blender, so get your blenders ready. So to start, we're going to need at least 5 leaves of our mint leaves. Here's about 5 mint leaves. Pop that in there. We're also going to put our avocados into the blender as well. You're also going to need a handful of spinach, so make sure you have some freshly washed spinach. We're going to add our spinach into the blender. Now, this recipe calls for 4 stalks of our kale, so I don't know what that would be because these are already diced up, so I'm just going to take a handful of kale. Alright, so you're going to pop that also into your smoothie, or should I say into your blender. Next we're going to put a cup of coconut water. Okay. So you're going to add a cup in there. And lastly, a half an apple. Now, I don't know why a half, because this is a very small apple. So, a half an apple. Okay? And now we're just going to blend this up. And let's blend this up. Okay, you guys, so our drink is ready. Now you get your favorite mug. Okay. If it's too thick, you can add some more coconut water in there to loosen it up. Okay, so you pop your straw in there and nice and creamy. So what I suggest to you is to probably put 2 cups of coconut water if you want it to be a little looser than that. If not, that's That's perfectly fine as a smoothie, okay? This is a wonderful smoothie that's going to help you to lose that belly weight. You can lose 11 pounds in 3 days. Drink this every morning. You can also drink this as a meal replacement for breakfast. If you also want to skip lunch, this is another wonderful smoothie that you could either do for lunch or dinner. Whichever one, if you're not that hungry, you can use this as a meal replacement. But this is awesome. This is full of antioxidants, full of natural ingredients, which is going to help to speed your metabolism up. Okay, and when you speed your metabolism up, you're increasing your energy levels, which helps you to lose that weight faster. So yes, you guys, drink this smoothie in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also drink it again in the afternoon or evening, whichever way you choose. But this is a wonderful smoothie for you to incorporate into your weight loss journey. It's going to help you to lose 11 pounds in 3 days. So don't sleep on this smoothie, y'all, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with all your friends and families who's also on a weight loss journey. Don't forget to check out the links down below for the NUTRIBULLET blender, the full-size one, as well as the metal straws, okay? This is not a sponsored video. I'm not making any money off of this, but check the links down below where you can purchase these items for yourself. Also, check out my new channel, which is called Velvetlox. And the link is also down below for that. And if you also want to be a blessing to this channel, I also have links down below that you can be a blessing and donate. Any amount is okay. That's fine. All right. But if not, I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.